Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kenalkan nami Abdi Anissa Febriani di kelas 10 bahasa. Jadi Abdi bade nyanyikan lagu Sunda Kak bahasa asing. Her eyes are so good, her nose is good, her lips are good. She's from good from the stage, very smart, but it's all the same. He acts like divine. He often changes men every week. Why are so many beautiful people naughty? Why are so many naughty? Why so beautiful? Maybe city lights make your face so beautiful. Who wants to end in misfortune? Her skin is like yellow, like color of banana. Her teeth are white as sweet as beautiful. Her lips are like chickens, from her eyes are milky browns. But why is it so cheap? It's stupid to laugh at